Android, the leading mobile OS globally, is widely used in business environments. Blocking apps on Android devices is crucial for IT administrators to enhance productivity and ensure compliance with organization policies. This video offers a comprehensive guide on blocking apps on Android devices with an MDM solution. AirDroid Business MDM solution offers policy to enforce security measures, including App Blocklist, to specify which apps are prohibited on managed devices. Setting up the App Blocklist is simple. Log into the AirDroid Business Admin console, navigate to Policy and Kiosk, and select Create Config File for Android. Click Policy, and then click OK. In the Edit tab at the Config file, go to the App Blocklist or Allow List section and switch to the App Blocklist tab. Click Add App and select the apps to block from options such as installed apps on the device, custom uploaded apps in the organization's app library, apps from the Google Play Store, or by entering the app's package ID. After making your selections, click OK. Before saving, double-check that the list of selected apps is correct. Click the Next button, and you need to fill in the information of the policy file. Write the name, remark, and create a secure code that is used to delete this policy file or exit this configuration from managed devices. Now click Save and Apply. Assign this policy profile to the target device groups to prevent them from using blocked apps. Once the policy is successfully deployed, the applications in the block list will disappear from the managed devices, and users will be unable to access them. By blocking non-work-related apps, businesses can minimize distractions and ensure employees focus on their tasks, and helps protect sensitive company data from potential breaches or malware. Companies can ensure compliance with industry regulations and internal policies by restricting access to unauthorized apps. Limiting the use of apps that consume excessive bandwidth or resources helps maintain optimal network performance and saves costs. Implementing app blocking allows organizations to control which apps are available on managed devices, contributing to a secure device environment. Additionally, the AirDroid Business MDM solution provides further device control features, including website and app allow listing, kiosk mode, and device limitations. For more information on AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial.